The following companies are leaders in the manufacturing of products that are aimed primarily at consumer and retail markets. Avalon Shutters Incorporated is the largest custom wood shutter manufacturer on the West Coast. The company distributes its shutters nationwide through various private label companies and major outlets such as the Home Depot, which has recognized Avalon as one of its top suppliers. The company, led by CEO and co-founder Bob Marshinishin, produces shutters 24 hours a day at its 150,000 square foot headquarters in Paris, California. Based in Upland, the Sash Company Incorporated designs and manufactures sashes and graduation stoles for pageants, universities, high schools, corporations, and more across the globe. Founded in 2002 by Angelique Barnum when she could not find graduation stoles available on the internet, the Sash Company has become a leader in the industry, serving customers such as Miss America, the Tournament of Roses, and Buckingham Palace. This year's finalists are shining examples of unique and innovative consumer products companies.